In the last video, we have seen how to accept user inputs. So we see that we use this function, and then here we have accepted the age, and then here we have received the first name from the user. So in this video, we are going to talk about pointers. So pointers, what like they do, it is that they store the address at which the variable it is stored in the computer memory. So to get that, we are going to just simply say let us just say print f. So we're going to say do this, and then we are going to say we want to see at which address is this variable stored in the computer memory. So to do that, we are going to say percent, and then we just say p, and p it is for the pointer, and then we are going to say we're going to just get this. So copy this, and then we're going to put it here. So a pointer must always have this symbol here, this small symbol here. So now if we save this and we build it, we are going to see the address of this edge, of which it is what we call it a pointer. So then we just put our age, James, enter. See, James age is this one, and then here so it says James age is this. Oh, okay, all right. So like actually what happened is that the address, it is this one. It is from this 0 here. So here we're supposed to just put this, and then we just say save, so that it will be on the new line, and then we come here and then we say abort, and then we say build and run. So now we are going to be able to see the address clearly. So gem, there we go. So now we have the address here. So this address, it is for this variable which is stored inside the computer. So the variable from your computer, it will be different because we are using different machines. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video, where we are going to start to discuss about the functions in C language.